This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your screen on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Think about all the sensitive stuff you have on your Mac right now, your emails, financial info, and everything else. Leaving your Mac unlocked when you walk away is just asking for trouble. Looking your screen is a super easy way to keep your information safe. Even if you're just gone for a couple minutes, it's worth looking up because someone could access your data in no time. So in this video, I will show you how to lock your MacBook screen. It's very simple. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences. Now you can just go to security and privacy. And in here, on the general, if you want to enable the lock screen, you can just click here to unlock. You can enter your MacBook password. Now you can checklist in here, require password. And you can choose immediately, 5 seconds, or 1 minute after sleep or screensaver begins. For example, we just choose just immediately after sleep or screensaver. Your MacBook will be locked and require password. And also in here, you can set your lock message. It's very simple, right? And if you want to just lock your screen before the screensaver will appear, you can just click on here on the Apple icon and you'll find there is an option, lock screen. You can just click on that. So your screen will be locked and safe. It's so simple, right? So that is how to lock your MacBook screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.